Famous 1863 CP Huntington engine that was used in the construction of the first transcontinental railroad. Trojan Bear by Texas-based artist Hermann. Some say he roams Hermann Park at night. Just across Hermann Park Drive on your right is the Hermann Park Golf Course, which has welcomed golfers since 1920. Hermann Park is a great place to come and stretch your legs and get some exercise. On your right is the Marvin Taylor Trail. The 2-mile trail takes joggers and walkers around the golf course under the shade of the park's historic live oaks. The trail also features an exercise station along its path. Which offers a diverse range of world-class entertainment to the public free of charge. Performances run from March through November. Pick up tickets the day of the show for a covered seat or bring a picnic basket and sit on the lawn. Another great Houston tradition. More information, schedules are available at the Kinder Station podium or visit MillerOutdoorTheater.com. On your right is the McGovern Centennial Gardens. New to Hermann Park in 2014, this 15-acre site delights visitors with traditional features like a rose garden and a sculpture promenade featuring public art donated by countries around the world, as well as new areas to explore such as an arid garden, a spiraling 30-foot garden mound, and an interactive family garden. Gardens are also home to the Cherry Flores Garden Pavilion, designed by Apple Store architects Bolin, Zawinski, and Jackson, and the Celebration Garden, which are both available for weddings, receptions, parties, and special events. Please visit HermannPark.org for more information. We are now coming up to our first stop, M.D. Anderson Station. Across the street is the Houston Museum of Natural Science. Once we've reached a complete stop, you may exit here if you wish. You're welcome to return to the train and continue your ride at no additional cost. Please remember, This is a reminder that everyone must remain seated at all times and keep their hands and feet inside the train. Inside the train. We will soon be crossing Lindsay Plaza. On your left will be the Jones Reflection Pool. On your right will be the Sam Houston Monument, which depicts the Texas hero pointing towards the old-fashioned station. We encourage Hermann Park visitors to avoid parking congestion by using MetroRail. Visit ridemetro.org for more information. If you would like to exit the train, you may do. Sometimes you just metro train for Please keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. Stone Pass and a traditional tea house. Wander through its winding trails lined with azaleas, Japanese maples, and cherry trees for a tranquil experience. In 2017, the garden free of charge. you are not already, please consider becoming a Conservancy member. Help us continue to improve and care for our wonderful park. Members receive a members-only express boarding line, discounts at Pinewood Cafe and the Conservancy gift shop, and free exercise on the second Saturday of every month. Please see a Visitor Services team member if interested, or sign up at hermanpark.org. If you're a fan of Hermann Park Conservancy, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It's a great way to keep up with park happenings and Conservancy events. With so much fun to be had on the Hermann Park Railroad, consider signing up to be engineer for a day. This Hermann Park Conservancy program makes a great gift for train enthusiasts, young and old. Come aboard and get a behind-the-scenes experience as you join the railroad staff and ring the bell. Please see a Visitor Services team member for more information. We are now approaching our third and final stop. On the left, you'll find the Buddy Playground for all children. Across the street on your right is the Texas Medical Center, the largest medical complex in the world. Access to the Houston Zoo Memorial Hermann Metro Rail station is available here. You're welcome to exit once the train has come to a complete stop. If you would like to continue your trip to Kinder Station, we will pick you up at no additional charge. Please remember, keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. As we leave the station, look to the right and you will see the statue of George Hermann, our park's namesake. Mr. Hermann was one of Houston's first parks commissioners and donated the land for the park to the city of Houston in 1914.
Hands and legs inside the train, please be seated, all about. Vishal, I said please be seated.
Next to the statue?
You want me to complain to the conductor? Please write that.
Sit. Get your leg in.
We are now approaching our train tunnel, where you'll encounter Mountain. As we move through the tunnel, you'll see how the Houston-based artist transformed the interior walls of the train tunnel into a fantastical landscape populated with creatures both real and imaginary.
No go, bud. They're probably visiting somebody in the hospital. They just went for a walk. Okay, here we go. There's the train tunnel.
Billy D. Day, a Houston artist, Cheryl Finkelstein, who is known for her volcanic bubbly sculptural forms. These wonderful forms are not immediately recognizable as identical quintuplets, but appear to be quite different in their various positions. On the right side of the train is the Buddy Cruise Playground for all children. Most equipment at the playground is accessible to children of all abilities, and the interactive water playground is a hit for kids in hot weather. You will also see the picnic pavilions, which can be reserved for birthday parties and picnics through the Parks Department permit office.
Hey, you know, I'm telling you that the neighborhood's going to be water park. Yeah, next summer. No, not this one. It's going to be right by our house. We're going to take out the old water park, the old swimming pool, and build a new one. Well, we're gonna go all the way back around. Across the bridge by the lake. Hey, we're on our way. No more stops. We're on the express now.
Hermann.org to learn more. After your train ride, we invite you to try Pinewood Cafe, located between Kinder Station and Kettlebell Lagoon. The Conservancy-operated restaurant features build-your-own grilled cheese, burgers, specialty sandwiches, salads, and wraps. We also offer domestic and craft beer and wine. Proceeds from Pinewood Cafe go back into caring for Hermann Park. Once we cross the bridge, conservation projects. Houston was once covered by tall grasses and prairie plants, which have dwindled significantly as Houston has developed. Thanks to the efforts of hundreds of volunteers, these endangered plants are now thriving here. Up ahead is Mommy Ann Smith Plaza. The entrance to the Japanese garden will be on the left, marked by large boulders. Also on the left will be the Pioneer Memorial Obelisk. Erected in 1936, this monument honors the men and women.
Water rat. You gotta get across that lake somehow.
Right Bridge, which spans our pedal boat lagoon. 4-passenger pedal boats are $11 to rent for 30 minutes. If you want a great The brick building on your right is the Conservancy's Brown Foundation Volunteer Center. It's a great place to host your child's birthday party, especially if they love trains. Information is available from our train staff or at hermanpark.org. On behalf of Hermann, remain seated until the train